Hi, it's Mike Z with Hiniker Company, and today we're going to look at our 600 and 1000 tailgate spreaders. The 600 is a 6 cubic foot and the 1000 is a 10 cubic foot. I'd like to show you a few features that make the Hiniker spreader unique to everybody else. To install your tailgate spreader, simply put the spreader into your receiver tube, insert the pin, and make sure you're putting a lock pin in it to hold it in place. We also recommend using ratchet straps here to secure the back of the spreader up and over the tailgate and securing it inside the bed of the truck. I'll show you how to remove the cover. On each side we have a rubber strap. And this will lift up, and it has got cables so you can hang it from the back here to fill your hopper. The Hiniker tailgate comes standard with a hopper screen. This will prevent larger clumps from dropping down in there. Today we're just using a product that's just a rock chip, and that's what we'll be using here today. The hopper is made of 304 stainless steel, and the lower black frame is a painted black enamel. One thing unique to the Hiniker tailgate spreader is the vertical auger brings the material up and drops it down into the center of the auger tube, which drops it onto the spinner. That way when you're driving down the road, you're not losing material when your spinner isn't going. This is the tailgate spreader controller. You'll want to mount this away from a heat source. Pretty simple operations. You have your power button, just hold it down until your green lights come on. What this will do is make the spreader itself run about 3 or 4 cycles and just kicks out any material that's in there to help prevent a jam. And then our blast button, this will allow the spreader to go at wide open speed for a short burst by holding that button down. And then our vibrator, pushing it in, turns light green. That means your vibrator is on. Our speed control has a dial. Right now we're at a 4, and we can turn that up all the way to a 10 or anywhere in between there. Nice feature that you can actually see well in the dark. And to shut it down, just hold your power button down and release. The spread pattern on our tailgate spreader, you can at low speeds get down to 3 or 4 feet, and on the maximum 10 you can get up to a 25-foot spread range. Just as a reminder, when you do start your controller up, you're going to hear it cycle 3 or 4 times, and that's normal, and that's to help clean its throat out so it removes any clumps that are still stuck in it. This is with the controller set on a speed of 3, and this is a speed of 10. The blast feature will increase it up to a 10. Shown here is the optional vibrator. You'll use this if you have material, say you're down to a half full or a third full, you need to shake that down back into the bottom of the trough here. That will facilitate you in being able to empty out the hopper. At the end of your shift, when you're done for the day, you do want to empty out the hopper each time you use it. And a quick and easy way to do that would be to loosen up. There's a wing nut on the back here and one on the front. That'll allow you to slide this tray open, and with that motor running, it'll empty your hopper in no time. And make sure you subscribe.